Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My people, you don't sit here when I do video this evening. I just get small gist. Now I say make I come follow now gist. My people, my topic of today now the topic of Ned Nwoko and Regina Daniels. So as I say make I waka small for inside the media. Now I can't see the news. Now I read down. Now I say make I can't see share am with you now. I see and say Laila, that Ned Moroccan wife. I see and say she don't already divorce Ned Nwoko. So me can enter inside her Instagram. I can't really see am say she write one note there. The note I go still post am with my video. She say she not dey marry Ned Nwoko again. Say she don't finally divorce her. Say she is living her life. Say if anybody they follow her because of Ned, make them better unfollow her now. Say because anybody wey make nonsense or stupid comment, she say she go block the person. So my people, I say make I come still talk put. Because when me see Ned Nwoko and Regina for London, they go Jordan, they go everywhere with their son, and Laila dey house. The other wives dey house. Okay, I know say na wetin they want. Now they buy for market. You understand? Or maybe say because money dey there, now make all of them sit down for there. Nobody really know wetin they go on for inside their matrimonial home. So I can't see her say she said she don't move on with her life. My people, when me see the video of Regina and the man, the way that they jolly, if me see be one of the wives, me go see jealous. Because it can't be like say the position of Laila, Ned Nwoko, now Regina Daniels can't take. Every time you go see Regina and their husband, every time you go see Regina and their husband, it's not supposed to be so. Because since Ned saying I'm Muslim, as he be Muslim, anything we do for Regina, now supposed to still do for the rest wife. Not because of say, okay, because Regina na star, he just carry Regina put for head. At least he go see no say, okay, other wives see theirs. And definitely they go they follow them for Instagram, they go they see everything way that they do. All of them way they as na blood, now see they pass their body. Imagine by people, me constantly count to myself. If na me they this Laila shoes, me for even still give her a divorce because it can't too much. Okay, when Laila do a birthday, see what Ned write. It's different from what he write for Regina on. Okay, he want end the message when he sent to Laila. He can't tell Laila say we love you. But when he send a birthday message to Regina, he can't tell Regina say I love you. Definitely Laila go they see all those messages. Because one time I hear say, for media say Laila unfollow Regina. He not reach to unfollow Regina. He reached to unfollow Regina. Because blood they pass all our veins. Okay, Laila na the wife, Regina na the wife. It can't be like say, okay, Regina na everything to Ned. Can't be like say everything na with Regina and Ned. Laila supposed to be jealous. She don't even quickly give her a divorce letter reach. Okay, before he married the women, go use them stay swear. Make another man not touch them. But he go put the women for us. He go they do for our side. Just because say he get money. Now the blood where they flow for the man body, now see they flow for the women body. I think you see them. May they not just they look on one side. Say men, yes, they are bound to marry 10 or 15 wives. No. Now the blood where they flow for the men body, now see they flow for women body. You get a young wife for house. Okay, maybe Laila now be the last wife before. We don't know. Okay, you can go carry Regina come. Now Regina come be everything to you. If Laila give Ned Nwoko divorce paper, she not wrong. She not wrong. Because Ned don't already show her to her, say, he prefer Regina than her. As that woman fine rich. If they say me they even talk her, Regina not even fine rich half of that woman. Because that woman, fairness na natural. Just because, okay, money day. Ned, he go just they pack women like say, na sardine, now you go buy for market. Okay, let's assume, say, okay, he get money, now make her they do all those things. At least he go say use the same hand take carry all of them. And he can they treat one good past the other one. If na me too, I go vex. Because if you ready to marry plenty wives, still get that courage where you still use the same hand take care of all of them. You don't need to do bias. When I just hear say she divorced Ned Nwoko, I say yes. Because that lovey where they go do for Jordan, do for London, it was too much. At least Laila go feel am. Laila family, they go they see am. They'll say, which kind husband their pikin can't deal with now. Laila go say, okay, you want divorce the Ned. Upon not say money they there. At least not be all women they die because of money. You know if you just die, follow me say because say money they there. At least someone's happiness matters. Not because of money. You go there his house. You go say me you enter Instagram, see your husband, see his wife. You go say me you enter Facebook, see your husband, see wife. And you go there inside bed, they swallow spit. Because say you want eat money. God forbid. I never live that kind of life. You know say inside Bible say a lot of people for inside Bible days marry 2 or 3 wives. That one are olden days. We know say see they happen, no. You see they happen. Yes, a lot of men see they marry 2, 3, 4 wives. Yes, we know. But this one of Regina and Ned Nwoko, that they show her well for Instagram. Laila, they see him. She must feel him. She go feel the pains. Oh, I see him for the post 10 years together. Meaning Laila was 20 years when Ned marry her. Just because he get money, go they marry young girls. He will be old man. Now make one time they pray for and say his first daughter go see marry old man like him. He can say yes, say amen. He pray make his daughter marry old man when he rich like him. When he take care of her daughter. Say amen. See he say amen. May we for not judge him. Because now small children are there in house. You go just carry your last wife. They go everywhere. Once when they as you not go even think of them. You just they disrespect them. Say you got money reach Dangote, Ned Nwoko. You get money reach Dangote, money pass $10. $10 marry just one wife. The day as they enjoy themselves. Why be say Nigerian men if they get more money, they'll just they pack women. Just they pack women. Don't ever hear scandal from $10. See they with one woman, he get $10 get 3 girls. And one boy. I don't ever hear saying na so he go carry woman. No. That man want marry 30 was he get the money to do it, but he wants stay responsible for his family. He wants stay responsible for his family. Just not to man we not they see something we not they see anything on that skirt. Just because you get money, go they hurt the women with theirs. And Regina go just see they do and say now only she not the man marry. Don't go even think for her fellow women when the day house. This my fellow women, this is go they pay them. Me I do and small. She just they do and say now she just get the man. Well, I not blame Regina. Now that man will go marry her come. Now the man will go marry her come. And Regina mama still young. She go do anything just for her daughter to be happy in the marriage. You can go to any length. Laila na Moroccan girl. So maybe mama don't know all those things. Before Regina, mama go push Regina for inside that kind of marriage. You go no say yes by her daughter. Because she not really sad by her daughter. It's not easy. It's not easy for her to push her child or her daughter for inside that kind of marriage where women don't fool. As the daughter enter house now, Ned, it can't be like say forget Laila. Laila was neglected. Maybe she feel the pains. Now she say, okay, me, I don't tire for this marriage. At least, may she go rest. So young, maybe 30 years now. She's still very young. At least she go don't see money for Ned hand. May she go use and plan her life. I don't know why men are so heartless. Only themselves, now that they think of, they think of another person. So, the way you and Regina, even they play the love, not even they hide them. They not even they hide them. They go just they show her. They go Ned go say if they want that, may they go dive. They not feel say may they come out. Laila took the right decision. I mean, at the same thing I go still do. At the same thing I go still do. Okay, if it's okay now because say Regina na star or she be actress, then she can't make Ned he can't make Ned popular. But that will not be the that is not the main reason for you to abandon the other wives. You will be if you want married, then you go use them swear. So that may they not go dodge, see another man. If they pay you. If they pay you, may another man not touch your wife. They from their present they touch another woman. Well, I not really blame you, Shana. All those women when they follow you. Let me blame. I not say money they there. I not say suffer day Nigeria, you understand? But this woman away from Morocco come marry, you not be suffer, make her come. Not be suffer. Because of the money, now she still come, I know. Understand? Regina has to see there because of the money. I even see one of her posts. She say, even they sad for the marriage. Say she not care. Say what's important, make she dey rich. I see her. You still get one time, she say, even if Ned go marry another one, say she not care. Because she know say money dey there. If money not dey there just now, let me say na young boy, now she marry money not there. If you see her say they carry a man come, a woman, they come from outside. She go dey pass back, they come out. Because money they there now, she say I died there. It really pay me, sha, because this Laila, a very calm and quiet woman. Very calm and quiet woman. Ah, the thing really touched me. I really felt for her. I see her for Morocco. She suffer, they drive her car. She said, I'm living my life. What my people, now saw this topic of today, now saw it reach show. So I go do the part 2. So please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video, guys. Share my video. Share my video. So, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell so that anytime I posted in a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.